Hello, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna be show you how to create a new Upwork account. I will show you how you can sign up on Upwork. To do this, follow my steps. Now first go to Upwork official website, upwork.com. If you know, Upwork is the world work marketplace for freelancing. It is best for world's marketplace. There are millions of business and independent pros. Okay, now click on sign up. Create an account, find the talent. Okay, here now you have two choices. That is get your free account. You can continue with Google, you can continue with Upwork, and you can continue with email. You can create a new email here, but I recommend to use continue with Google. Okay, now I choose continue with Google. Signing Google account with Google Pro. Now choose your account. Okay, now I use another account. I choose my account. Here enter your password. Verify it. If you are using two-step verification, verify it. Yeah, complete the account setup. Now we need to complete our free setup, free account setup. Here choose your country. Choose your country. For example, my country is I'm in Ethiopia, so I choose Ethiopia. Yeah, here I want to hire for a project, work as a freelancer. I choose work as a freelancer. I recommend you to choose work as a freelancer. Click on two of them and here click create my account. Now our registration is a success. Thanks for watching this video. I hope we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye.